Hi guys, welcome to work from home opportunity, and today we are going to see about a software mining app which is called Thunder Core Hub. It is a it can be it can be used in your smartphone in your Android, and you can mine the Thunder tokens. Okay, and so if you want to know about Thunder token, you can always check in Google, and it's costing around 0.010 cents, I believe, today, uh, dollars actually. And so quickly let's go move into the video. Okay, yes. So let me take you to the okay guys, actually, so it will be like this only. Okay, so once you install the Thunder token with your referral link, you'll be getting this screen. Okay, like we have home, wallet. Wallet is the Thunder token wallet. Okay, and you can also trade inside this in this wallet itself. And we have Quest is the place where like most of us will be using. Why? Because once you install, there will be the newbie mission bonus which will be given inside the quest. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see like this is my newbie mission which I have completed. It is plus 2 TT tokens. Okay, so how to claim it is like, I mean, it's very simple. We must have a Twitter account, and there will be one task, okay, for the newbie mission. Okay, we have to share that task in the, I mean, we have to do the retweet in the Twitter account, and then copy your Twitter user ID. Okay, and you need to go to settings and link accounts, and then paste your Twitter ID here, and you just need to link, like you need to, it will be asking you authorize app. Okay, it will go to Twitter, and it will allow that your ID is registered. Okay, then once it is done, and in the quest, you have already shared the Twitter retweet. Okay, and you have also linked that Twitter ID in the settings. Once that is done, your newbie mission bonus will be like, I mean, it will be changed to claim plus 2 TT tokens, and you can go ahead and click on claim, and it will be completed. And one thing I would like to inform you that sorry for the background. Okay, uh, sometimes when you click on claim, it won't be like when you press that claim button, it won't successfully completed immediately. Just do 2 or 3 times. Okay, and if in case, if still it is not done, okay, then but mostly it will be done. Okay, but if in case it is not done, you just need to go to the home tab, and then come back to quest, and then click on claim. It will be done. Okay, so once this is done, your plus 2 TT coins is done, claimed. Okay, so the best part in this app is actually, if you have one single TT coin, there is a automatic mining. It will start. Okay, it will start mining, so you don't need to come daily and do the task and earn your coins. Okay, so I'll show you where you can see. Go to the home tab, you see TT mining, earn TT and USDT. Let's mine now. Click on that. It connects to mining.thundercore.com. Now here we have the rewards to be claimed. Okay, now rewards to be claimed, it is the, you see the numbers increasing: 0.000506866876888 TT. Okay, that is when the automatic mining will start. Okay, so you can you can collect it, you can claim it when it accumulates to 0.0001 TT coins. Okay, so guys, it's very simple. I mean, you can collect it within 7 days. Okay, I think more than 7 days you will get many more coins, more TT coins. Okay, and also you can hold, and you can get your rewards as well. Okay, and one more thing, earning referral. Okay, like earn 10% referral rewards. Once you click on this, Okay, like I will share my referral link below the, I mean, once this video is completed, in the description you can see my referral link. I'll also share you how to convert this TT coin in the exchange, okay, which exchange we have, okay. And there are many exchanges I believe, but Hotbit is the one which I use. I'll show you that. Okay, all right, now your referral code, if you scroll down you see this bounty rules. Okay, step 1, easy 3 steps to get 1000 TT bounty. Join to earn 880 TT, refer 6 qualified people and share on social media and submit post URL for review. Okay, it's very simple. After you join you are getting 880 TT tokens. Okay, and once you refer to 6 qualified your friends, I mean like who are active members and they are mining daily, they are claiming their rewards. Okay, then you are qualified. And step 3 is you have to post your referral link to the social media and set it to the public. Okay, so once this is done, and submit this public link, okay, like to Facebook, Twitter, I mean like all these links, and you can post your share your social media URL and submit it. Then you will claim 1000 TT coins. Okay, so this is the good program, and it is also said that in the future it will 1 TT coin could reach around $1. Okay, so it is like a big I mean like it's a very big money. So if you earn like 1000 TT coins by referring the friends and publishing the social media, then I would suggest you like you can sell 500 coins and hold 500 coins for a long, I mean like once it reaches $1 you can sell it. Okay, so it is a very good opportunity. And now I'm going to take you to the exchange where you can convert this TT coin into money. Okay, so okay guys, so this is the exchange, Hotbit. I go to trade. Here you can see, okay, like you can search here TT. You see here Thunder Core. Okay, and it is trading with USDT mostly. See, it is trading with USDT only. Okay, so it is trading now at the rate of 0.011179. Okay, and so guys, you can, once you have like more TT coins, you can from your Thunder Core wallet you can send it to here, and you can convert it to USDT and make your money. Okay, so it's that simple. I will also post my Hotbit referral link, so people who would like to have an account, you can also have it. Fine. Okay, any doubts you can, any clarifications you can always post in your comments. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. You have a great day.